Hey there, longevity seekers. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of stem cell therapy and its impact on living a longer, healthier life. First up, tissue regeneration and damage repair. Stem cells have an incredible ability to regenerate damaged tissues. Imagine your muscles, bones, and skin actively renewing themselves, keeping your body in top shape as you age. Next, let's talk about your immune system. As we get older, our immune defenses weaken, making us more susceptible to diseases. Stem cells can bolster your immune system by activating and creating new immune cells, reducing your risk of infections, inflammation, and even cancer. Strong immunity means a longer life. Now, onto the anti-aging effects. Stem cells can slow down the aging process in various organs like your skin, joints, and heart. Think fewer wrinkles, healthier joints, and a more active lifestyle. Preventing and treating chronic diseases is another huge benefit. Conditions like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and neurological disorders are often tied to aging. Stem cell therapy can help manage these diseases, giving you a healthier, longer life. Ever heard of mitochondrial function? Mitochondria are the powerhouse of your cells, and stem cells can enhance their function. Better energy production means delaying the aging process and extending longevity. Maintaining genetic stability is crucial as well. Stem cells can repair damaged DNA, reducing the risk of age-related diseases like cancer. Healthy genes, healthy life. Let's not forget about mental health and cognitive function. Stem cell therapy can promote brain regeneration, helping prevent diseases like dementia and Parkinson's. Keeping your mind sharp is vital for a long, happy life. In conclusion, stem cell therapy holds immense potential for enhancing longevity. From boosting your body's regenerative abilities to strengthening your immune system and more, the possibilities are endless. Always consult a healthcare professional to explore if this cutting-edge treatment is right for you. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.